To find a database for your research topic, first click the Databases Search tab on the library homepage. You can click the All Databases A to Z link to browse the complete list of database and web resources, or use the drop-down to narrow the list by academic subject. For this example, I'm going to select biology. The top recommended databases for each subject appear in the Best Bets box at the top of the list. Each database has a brief synopsis describing what types of resources the database provides access to. When you find a database that seems to have appropriate coverage for your topic, simply click the title to be taken directly to that database. You can also find a list of recommended databases through the library's research guides. If a guide is available for the subject you've selected, you'll see it listed here on the right-hand side of the page. Alternatively, you can browse all research guides available by clicking on the Research Guides quick link on the library homepage. The research guides typically offer a more curated list of resources than the complete A to Z database list does, while also providing links to other types of resources besides just databases. It's important to remember that each database has its own specific set of academic journals and other publications that make up its records. So if you're not finding many relevant articles for your research topic in one database, trying the same search in a different database will yield a different set of results that may, or may not, be more relevant to your topic. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, please ask a librarian.